Guys, me take time come in I pot and eat out here. When I best rice and peas yet, guys. You can't eat it like that. Guys, when you can eat Jamaican rice and peas without no meat, just like that, then you know so you have some good rice and peas going. Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. We're gonna make some Jamaican rice and peas. Alright, so basically I had the peas soaking for a few hours, so them no pressure yet. Me just throw one pack of peas, rinse it off and throw in some water, and then you leave it out, make it soak. And then now I put it on in about 3 cups of water or so. So we're gonna let this boil and we're gonna pressure it, but first you have to sink the peas. Okay, so we have some garlic. I'm gonna pour that in, and I'm gonna put about half teaspoon salt for now, and later you can add more if you want. And I'm gonna put some pimento greens, and I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Alright, I'm just gonna let this come to a boil, and then we're gonna sink the peas, and then we're gonna pressure it. After about a few minutes, you let it boil up, and then I have about 4 cups of water. I'm gonna throw it in it. Alright, and then I'm gonna put my pressure cooker on. And then I'm gonna pressure it for half an hour, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so the peas is cooked, and guys, if you're not ready to use it, you can put it in the fridge for overnight. Like if you're busy and you say, okay, I'm gonna pressure peas for overnight and tomorrow I just cook the rice. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do because I'm going to work now. So I'm gonna let this cool down, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and tomorrow we're gonna cook some rice and peas. Look over here guys, I didn't actually cook it the same day. Alright guys, I set it in the fridge, and look here guys, I'm using half the amount. Okay, so we're gonna add some flavor to this bad boy. First we're gonna put some salt. I'm gonna put about half teaspoon. I have a little bit of this coconut cream, and it's not enough because I used some the other day, but I'm gonna put it because I like the taste of it. So if you have half pack, quarter pack, go ahead and put it in. I like the taste of it guys. Come on, take out everything. Clean it out. Alright, that's good. Alright my peeps, so I'm gonna go in with some olive oil. You can use about 2 tablespoons of butter, but I'm gonna use about, you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So we're gonna pour some in. If you have 1 pack of this, just use all of this, but because I don't have enough, and you have to have a lot of coconut milk into the thing, so I'm gonna go in with about half can of this also. Alright, if you don't have the next one, you can add the whole can. You can go ahead and use your cutter. Don't follow me, okay guys? Jamaican way, Jamaican style. Alright, cut it out a little bit. Alright, and then we're gonna pour about half can. This is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link to this recipe. This is the updated version, and I'm gonna go in with this amount, about a tablespoon. Give that a little swirl, and we're just gonna let this come to a boil, and then we're gonna add our rice and add some thyme and scallion. All right guys, once you get it to a boil, I have about 3 cups of rice. I'm gonna add that in. I'm gonna give it a little stir, and you know what they say guys, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. Okay, now I have some frozen scallion or green onion. I'm gonna put a little bit. although it's in my blended season, I like the fresh one as well. And I'm going to put a little bit of thyme, dry thyme. And my husband said, please put some pimento, please, few grains. But all of it is in the blended seasoning already, okay? I'm going to put few grains. About that. Oh God, me put one whole but this in like, Lord of mercy. My mom and my husband love lots of pimento when they cook. I don't like too much of it. I put pimento in it, okay? He said okay. Alright guys, we're gonna let this simmer down and we're gonna let it cook down. Alright guys, we're back and you want to let it steam down, okay? And this is it. It's all done. I'm gonna give it a little stir. See how shelly and nice it is, guys. All done. This is how you want your rice and peas. Focus. Look at that, guys. Yes. This is how I cook my Jamaican rice and peas, okay? Some people say rice and beans in a good amount of coconut milk or cream. Super yummy, guys. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. I'll share a little dish when I'm dishing out some, okay guys? And I'll add it to it. Try it guys. Try it with my blended seasoning and a little bit of that coconut cream, or you can put the milk together. Season it up a little bit. Alright guys, this is amazing. Can you see that, guys? And you want the grain them to be apart. You don't want them to be clumpy like pudding. You're making rice and peas. Look guys, see that? So good. Let me stop eating it now. Alright guys, this is my Jamaican rice and peas, so I'm gonna serve up some. I baked some chicken and I'm gonna put some in. So this is what I'm serving up: my chicken, plantain, coleslaw, and my good Jamaican rice and peas. All right, so this is how you plate it out. All right guys, you have a good day. Bye guys.